The general feeling was a little bit of confusion and concern. We were facing an unprecedented time, and it wasn't really clear what that all meant and what it was going to mean to our jobs and our families and what would happen going forward.
I felt lost. I felt disconnected. Everything was so up in the air. Nobody knew anything about this virus. It was scary, but with time, we were able to keep ourselves safe.
We as a construction industry had to adopt some changes and adapt to what was happening, what the virus presented. When you think about the larger picture and trying to slow the impact and the spread of COVID, you have to have certain parts of construction active to keep us all going.
You know, really building the infrastructure that California needs, regardless of where they're working from or sheltering in place. So we couldn't not continue the critical work that we're doing to build California.
As an essential service, the construction industry ensured Californians had access to electricity, water, internet, and other services necessary to maintain a sense of normalcy during a time when the world seemed anything but normal. California's construction industry also kept thousands working safely during tough economic times.
Essentially, work allowed men and women to continue their livelihood. Had construction not been classified as essential, I think we'd have a whole different economy, plateau, and skyline that we're looking at right now.
It's all about our employees. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be doing what we're doing. So we've been absolutely as flexible as we can. Everyone wanted to abide by the rules so that they could come to work. And how can we help them feel safe, act safe, be safe?
Through early advocacy by AGC of California at the onset of the shelter-in-place order, the construction industry was deemed an essential service by the governor's office.
AGC was able to really illustrate, first of all, why we should be deemed essential and why California needed our work to continue, but also how we were able as an industry to really keep our workers safe. As contractors could not have advocated for ourselves in the way that AGC was really able to because of their relationships.
You know, even if we were able to change one word to make it safer for our industry, I think they were right there along with others trying to take the lead to do that, and that's greatly appreciated.
Communication is one of the most effective tools for all of us at every level. And AGC California has done a fantastic job of making certain that their members had the information that they needed.
It was a really swift response to adapt, to get the resources in, to get the message out, to get protocols set. That was construction's reaction. It was really, it was effective.
It's as though we have all banded together over this national crisis, and we support each other, we care for each other, and we want to see everybody go home safely.
AGC of California remains steadfast in our mission. We believe construction is vital to the success of California. Through this pandemic, we will be there, as we always have, to support, maintain, and improve the essential infrastructure of California.
I've been very proud to be a member of AGC through all this, because they have been the leader that their members expect them to be.